So this won't be a long video. I still have a lot of issues with my throat because of the common cold, but I thought I'll show you guys the Pheno Geno rose box and what kind of quality you can expect from Pheno Geno. And as you can see inside here, we have the standard solution, some plastic, right? And let me just go ahead and unbox these Pheno Geno roses here for you guys. As you guys can see, here we have our Pheno Geno roses. I do suspect they use a supplier in the Netherlands, because these did say they came from Lotum, and there's a lot of rose nurseries in Lotum, so it might actually be Tourism Lotum that sends out these roses in Europe if you're not living in Serbia. This is what is it called? Citroncello. It's the one that's meant to be citrus scented. That's a decent quality one here. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, this one is decent quality. That's A quality for sure. Let's just see here what the sign says. And the sign says Morava Reka or something like that. I can't remember if it was Isidore Freyla. There's one they didn't have, and I told them to replace it with Morava Reka. It was one of the yellow Freylas they didn't have. And I know it wasn't Jelena Freyla. Here you have Olivia Freyla. I believe there's another yellow Freyla, so I do believe the other one was Isidora, but let's see here. I think the quality is quite decent here. Let's see. Magic Aroma, this one. Supposed to be one of the scented ones. No idea if that's true, but anything in the aroma series are the scented roses. And here you have a unique aroma. It's quite decent. I don't know who is the contractor for these roses, but I do know they came from Lotum, so I have a suspicion it might be Tourism Lotum that is the subcontractor on this. And what is this one? I'm actually a bit of in doubt what the sign says there. I think it says aromatic aroma or something. I'm a bit in doubt. Let's see here if there's another sign up here. Oh, aromatic aurora. Aromatic aurora. It is the rugosa rose that is supposed to be fragrant. Well, looks like a quite nice specimen, and there's even soil around this one. So that is nice. So far I think the quality is I would say medium. There's some good roses, like this one was okay. They get the number of canes right, but the stems are often a little bit thinner, right? But it might also be because Pheno Geno's roses aren't that big to begin with. They're very small roses, so maybe the thinner canes is natural on them, because they usually don't get that tall, like 60 to 80 centimeters max often. Let's have a look at this one. 3 canes again. But you can see a lot of green growth here, right? I can forgive it right now because we seem to have very warm weather right now, but I don't really like to see Bareroot roses being so far ahead. This one is Jelena Freyla. I really wanted to see this one last year, but it was sold out. This one is also kind of thin, right? Also kind of thin. And when it comes to price, these are around, some of them are like 12 euros, and other of them are like 17 euros. So you do have to keep that in mind, that these are not cheap roses. That one is a very nice A quality rose. Definitely worth the money, that one. Let's see here. Oh, there's a lot of thorns on it. It is Lemon Vasa. It is the cut flower one. The reason I chose something for an Vasa series was this one was supposed to be fragrant, right? but a nice shape to it. And let's see what the next one is here. Again, very nice rose, this one. And it is trendy fashion. Trendy fashion. And what about this one, the last one? Yeah, it is Herzog Franz Ferdinand of Austria. Also, I think it's in the name, if I remember correctly. Again, looks like a very nice plant. So what is my opinion so far? Well, they definitely have a subcontractor to do these roses that are out of the city of Lotum. I suspect it is Turin-Centrum Lotum, but the quality does seem medium, I'd say. Some of them are nice quality, like this one was a nice quality. But the canes of many of them are a bit thin, but it might also be because Pheno Geno roses aren't that big to begin with the thin canes. But yeah, guys, those were some of the first Pheno Geno roses I'm adding this year, and I'll shut up now and go look after my voice, because I've had the common cold the last 4 days nearly, so I have been quite sick with fever and everything else that is normal. But I thought I'd get this video out of the way and get out here and put them into some water, right? And hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. But yeah, guys, I heard a lot of you love the Andre Rieu rose. I also have that one incoming, just not in this order, right? Yeah, take care out there, guys, and let me know what you think about the quality from Pheno Geno. I think for me it is somewhere around medium, not the best, not the worst. It is not good as Tantau and some of the other ones in quality, but it is decent quality. It is decent quality. Take care, guys.